Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. I'd like to quickly to introduce myself. I'm Ningrum Wijayanti. I'm a student of Master Management Faculty of Economics, Jakarta University. It's an honorable to present this material. As you can see on the screen, in this occasion, I want to explain about implementation of performance management at Pertamina. Okay, for the first, I want to explain about what is performance management. So, performance management is a process that involves planning, measuring, assessing, and developing employee performance to achieve organizational goals. Which performance management also an ongoing process of communication between a supervisor and employee that occurs throughout the year in support of accomplishing the strategic objectives of the organization. The communication process includes clarifying expectations, setting objectives, identifying goals, providing feedback, and reviewing results. And then we're going to performance management at PT Pertamina. So, the performance management process at Pertamina is a system that aims to measure and improve the performance of employees and the company as a whole, where this process includes several stages such as setting goals and performance targets that are in accordance with the company's vision, mission, and strategy. Stage 2 is preparing work plans and budgets to support the achievement of performance goals and targets. The third stage is the implementation of an objective, transparent, and comprehensive performance assessment using various methods such as the Performance Management System or SMK, Assessment Leadership Behavior System or LBS, calibration discussion browse reviews, and dialogue day. And now we are going to know about Pertamina. Okay, PT Pertamina is an Indonesian state-owned company which mainly operates in the national oil and gas company, engaged in exploration, production, processing, and marketing of oil and gas products. To carry out its main business, this company has 6 sub-holdings, each of which operates in the upstream, refinery, and petrochemical, commercial and trade, gas, electricity and renewable energy, and shipping sectors. Apart from that, through its other subsidiaries, this company also does business in the field of insurance, health services, aviation, and property development. And we're going to the advantage of performance management at PT Pertamina. The first, PT Pertamina able to improve the quality and productivity of employees and the company as a whole. Second, PT Pertamina able to develop employee competencies and potential in accordance with company needs. The third, PT Pertamina able to increase employee motivation, loyalty, and involvement in achieving company goals and objectives. Apart from the advantage, PT Pertamina also has several disadvantages, including first, it requires considerable time, cost, and research to implement the performance management process effectively and efficiently. Second, requires commitment and support from all parties involved, including management, employees, and other stakeholders. The third requires continuous adjustment and improvement to overcome changes in the business environment and challenges faced by the company. Now, we are going to needs at PT Pertamina. Requirements analysis is the process of defining problems, goals, expectations, and requirements related to a system, product, service, or organizations, where requirements analysis can help companies plan, develop, and improve the quality and performance expected by customers and stakeholders. Needs analysis can also help companies implement company performance management. And the current need for this company is to carry out an analysis of e-commerce business development strategies using the approach business model canvas or BMC, Delphi method, SWOT, and Blue Ocean strategy. This analysis aims to analyze the business model development, design e-commerce from PT Pertamina Retail. It's called Buy My Pertamina, which is a mobile application that allows customers to do full and non-full purchase transactions, as well as getting various benefits and promos. The second, needs that have not been implemented include not having carried out an in-depth and comprehensive analysis of customer needs. This analysis aims to find out what customers want, need, and expect from the products and services offered by this company, as well as the level of customer satisfaction and loyalty towards these products and services. And what needs to be done is that PT Pertamina must carry out its comprehensive and sustainable analysis of environmental needs, where this analysis aims to determine the environmental impact caused by PT Pertamina's operational and strategic activities, especially in the fields of oil and gas exploration, production and processing, as well as mitigation, adaptation, and innovation efforts carried out by the company. This analysis can be carried out using methods such as life cycle analysis, environmental risk analysis, or environmental cost benefit analysis. Now we are going to motivational supporting factors. Motivational supporting factors are factors that can influence the level of employee work motivation, both from within the employee and from the employee's work environment. Motivational supporting factors that are already underway. There are two motivational factors that have been realized at PT Pertamina. First, job training. PT Pertamina has provided job training to employees as one of the supporting factors for intrinsic motivation. Job training can increase employee knowledge, skills, and competencies through increasing employee self-confidence, job satisfaction, and performance. The second is providing compensation. Apart from that, another factor is providing appropriate compensation to employee as a supporting factors for extrinsic motivation. Compensation here can be met employees' financial needs so as to increase employee sense of the appreciations, loyalty, and commitment. And the supporting factor for motivation that is not yet running is not providing adequate rewards to employees as one of the supporting factors for intrinsic motivation, which can increase employee sense of pride, achievement, and recognition, thereby increasing employee motivation, initiative, and creativity. And in my opinion, the motivational supporting factors that PT Pertamina must implement is able to provide constructive feedback to employees as one of the supporting factors for intrinsic motivation. Feedback can provide information about performance, strengths, weakness, and suggestion for improvement to employees so that it can be increased employee learning, improvement, and growth. Now we move to action at PT Pertamina. The meaning of action here are steps taken by a company to achieve goals, overcome problems, or take advantage of opportunities related to the company's business and operations. Action can be preventive, corrective, or improvement actions carried out by the company. The action that is already underway is taking preventive action to reduce the risk of work accidents and environmental pollution by implementing an occupational safety and health management system, or SMK3, and an environmental management system, or SML, that are accordance with national and international standards. And actions that are not yet underway are not taking corrective action to improve the quality of the company's products and service by carrying out innovative and sustainable research and development, or R&D. And the action that must be taken is to take preventive action to reduce the risk of an energy crisis and climate change by implementing energy diversification and a sustainable energy transitions. Next, performance improvement at PT Pertamina. One of the most important aspects in improving company performance is employee performance, where employee performance can be influenced by various factors such as performance appraisal, rewards, punishment, occupational safety, and health. compensation, and others. The performance improvement that has been implemented by this company is the implementation of CSR strategies, or corporate social responsibility, which aims to improve the company's social and environmental performance, as well as building harmonious relationships with stakeholders. The CSR strategies carried out by PT Pertamina Persero include environmental development programs, social assistance programs, education and training programs, occupational health and safety programs, and local economic development programs. One action that is not underway now is implementation balance scorecard or BSG as a tool for measuring overall company performance. BSG can help companies to translate vision and mission into strategic goals, identify key performance indicators or KPI, set strategic targets and initiatives, and carry out continuous evaluation and improvement. One the action that must be taken is to increase innovation and creativity in facing competition and business challenges. Innovation here and creativity are the ability to create products, services, or processes that are new, unique, and valuable for customers. Now I'm going to talk about satisfaction. So, customer satisfaction is an important indicator in assessing company performance, especially in the service sector. One of the actions that is currently underway is the application of method importance performance analysis or IPA in analyzing customer satisfaction. The IPA method can help companies identify service attributes that must be maintained, improved, reduced, or ignored. One action is not yet underway is the application of the Community Satisfaction Index or IKM method in analyzing community satisfaction in the Corporate Social Responsibility or CSR program. The SMI method is a method that measures the level of public satisfaction with the quality of public services provided by an agency or organization. The SME method can help companies find out the extent to which their CSR programs have provided benefits and positive impacts on society. The satisfaction that must be done is to realize the method that has not been implemented, namely the IKM method. Okay, after I explained about satisfaction, then there is a question. How if there is a reduction in performance satisfaction? Of course, if there is a reduction in performance satisfaction at the PT Pertamina, then this can have a negative impact on the company itself because the impact of reducing performance satisfaction can reduce employee productivity, effectiveness, and work efficiency, which will ultimately affect the quality of products and services produced by the company. Apart from that, reduced performance satisfaction can also give rise to internal problems such as conflict, turnover, absenteeism, stress, etc., which can disrupt the smooth operation and coordination of the company. As a result, companies can experience a decline in performance, reputation, and competitiveness in the market. Finally, we have arrived at the end of my presentation. I can see that my time is just about up. So to finish, I'd like to say thank you very much for your kind and nice attention. And I do really apologize for the shortcomings in presenting this material. Thus I say, I'm Ningrum Wijayanti. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And see you in another occasion.